Dr. Amon Ugambaro rukure by'amagaro mu district ya Kasese nagira ngo abana bashatu nibo bashanjurwe n'obumanyiso bw'endwara y'obusheru omuri scheme ward omuri Nyamwamba division Kasese municipality.
The issue of measles outbreak in Kasese, it is true. The other week we started having some alerts of measles, and of course as usual we swung into action and sent there our investigating teams to go and confirm, to go and verify. They find the children, they have rash on their bodies with a fever and running nose. Usually measles should be presenting with a rash, fevers, cough and running nose. When you get someone with such symptoms, we suspect measles. So on that suspicion, our teams went there to verify.
Dr. Amoni yazumira abazira batarikwenda kutwara abana okusirwa endwara nyamwita.
Good enough, I think the children are not in a worse state. It's only one of the three who is a little worse and is on care. The rest have been improved and are doing very well at home. Of course, following this, whenever there's an outbreak, we need to ensure we are on top of the game. We have deployed our teams to go and look around. When we went back to find out, we discovered these are children who had not been vaccinated during the previous campaign. We had a campaign recently.
Abdul Magezor Community Development Officer wa Nyamwamba Division omuri Kasese we yajumirira ebigombe by'obutegetsi ebirikuhakanisa program za gavumenti ezirimu n'okusirikisa abaana endwara.
When we are in the field sensitizing people to go for immunization, they are also telling them different words. They are giving wrong information. Sometimes they tell them, these people, they are immunizing you for this, you are going to die, they want to kill you. So you find that we have very many issues through the opposition people.
N'obujunaanizibwa bwaitu nk'abazaire okureeba ngu twareeberera abaana omu mpinda hinduka y'obwire okweri kugenda na in case haba hariho nk'ekirwaire kisi ekyo barikire.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.